Assalam-o-Alaikum Everyone. I am Bilal Ahmed, a final year software engineering student at the University of Mianwali. Welcome to my channel, SE with Bilal Ahmed. This platform is designed to assist software engineering students, particularly those in Pakistan, in grasping complex concepts and understanding the intricacies behind the code. I recognize that beginning an SE degree can be overwhelming with numerous subjects, terminologies, and often limited guidance. Here, I will provide video lectures covering all software engineering subjects, comprehensive notes and study materials, roadmaps and strategies for navigating each semester. All content will be presented in both Urdu and English, ensuring it's relatable and straightforward, similar to a classroom environment. We will explore all significant SE courses, including programming fundamentals, object-oriented programming, data structures, software design, databases, cybersecurity, cloud computing, and more. My objective is straightforward: to make software engineering accessible, clear, and enjoyable for every student in Pakistan. If you are currently studying or considering a future in software engineering, I invite you to subscribe and embark on this educational journey with me. This is Bilal Ahmed, and together let us learn smart and code better.